Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best smart thermostat that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. If you're looking for the best value digital thermostat which has all the same features as a high-end one, then we'd suggest checking out the Emerson Sensi Wi-Fi Thermostat for smart home. The simple outer of this thermostat might have you fooled, but a quick look at everything it can do will be sure to give you a huge boost of confidence in this design. With help from the Sensi mobile app, you will have clear instructions on how to install the programmable thermostat Wi-Fi safely and quickly, without the need for AC wire. This means that this thermostat is going to be accessible in all home builds, allowing homeowners all over the country to enjoy this geofence-enabled, smart home integration, app-controlled device. Be sure to also check out our list of the best smart plugs for more great items like this. Moving on at number 4. We have the Honeywell RCHT8612WF Home T5 Plus Smart Thermostat. Honeywell has been a well-respected brand in this industry for years, so whether you're looking for a wireless thermostat or something sturdier, they'll be sure to have a product suited for you. As we believe that you should have the smoothest thermostat buying process possible, it only felt right to present you with the Honeywell RCHT8612WF Home T5 Plus Smart Thermostat. This Energy Star certified and reasonably affordable thermostat will be sure to keep your home at the right temperature, thanks to its 7-day scheduling feature and geofence location technology. You might think that Wi-Fi thermostats are out of the question if you don't have AC wire in your home, but thanks to Honeywell, this is no longer an issue. This thermostat comes with its very own low-voltage alternative so that you can enjoy all the benefits without needing a refurbishment. Our handy guide to the best smart locks features more great products like this. At number 3, we have the Orbit 83521 Clear Comfort Programmable Smart Thermostat. If your eyesight isn't quite up to scratch or you just can't be bothered to trek across the room to read the temperature, then the Orbit 83521 Clear Comfort Programmable Thermostat will be a great guilt-free addition to your home. The contemporary design of the screen means that the display is large enough to view across the room, and the backlight makes this easy even when the lights are dimmed. As well as a practical display, the Orbit has very smart heating controls that allow you to reduce programming control times and have a streamlined daily schedule instead. This is done through a clever copy and paste feature, which remembers past programming and schedules so that you don't have to make constant tweaks throughout the week. The Orbit will take into account the times you set on the schedule and will ensure that the temperature of the room will be at your desired temperature at the exact right time. At number 2, we have the Lux Products GEO-BL 7-Day Programmable Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. It can be hard to find the right Wi-Fi thermostat. Wi-Fi might be a great feature to have, but it suddenly leaves room for a lot of troubles that didn't exist before Wi-Fi was introduced. This is why it is so important to ensure that the Wi-Fi thermostat you purchase will guarantee strong connectivity and a seamless experience. And, thanks to the Lux Products GEO-BL 7-Day Programmable Wi-Fi Thermostat, you can get just that. This incredibly attractive thermostat is certainly fitting for the modern age, featuring a control wheel and app for on-the-go control. Not only this, but you have pure freedom with how you install this thermostat, as it can be mounted both horizontally and vertically. And finally at number 1, we have the Kono KNSMG1 Thermostat Unauthorized version. We can't get enough of the dial control that some thermostats have, which is why we've decided to introduce you to another intelligent thermostat that goes by the name of the Kono KNSMG1 Thermostat Unauthorized version. Now, we're going to be honest here. If you're looking for a thermostat that will link up with your smart home and be controlled by voice, then this thermostat probably isn't the best choice for you. However, if you really don't care about all of that and you just want a smart thermostat that allows you to control the temperature while sitting pretty in your home, then click that Buy Now button faster than you ever have before. There's a certain type of homeowner who will be perfect for this thermostat, and the ones which spring to mind for us are the elderly and nomads. Basically, anyone who doesn't care about technology or trends or gadgets or anything of the sort will be perfect for this thermostat. With the sole purpose of making you look smart, enter a hassle-free life with a thermostat made by Kono. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.